Jealous blocks growth. You waste energy comparing instead of improving. You have to improve yourself. Stop comparing your life with other people's life. You don't know what they are going through to get what they get now or to live their soft life. You have to improve yourself. Go back to school to study is better, or to do a better business than to comparing yourself with other people's business. People, when they are doing what they want to do, you have to do something different. Even it's a business, don't do the same business, because lucky is different. Other people, they have got lucky on that business, and you want to compare to do the same thing with those people, you can fail. You have to do something different. Other people are comparing their lives with their own siblings. God gave us different talents. When your sibling is doing something, or God gave your siblings or a soft life, what, try to improve yourself different than those people, than to compare. You say, my sister, my brother do this and that, and we want to do the same thing. It can't happen, because our talents are different. Stop comparing yourself or to being jealous. Sometimes you can be jealous about other people's life. You don't know what they are going through to get what they get now, and you are jealous. You know that some of the people, they can't sleep. You saw other people achieve something, your friend achieve something, your sister achieve something, and you can be bitter. Some other people are very bitter with other people's life.